so juicy.
Guys, this place in Kepong serves affordable eats. Free water, tea and soup that makes you go. Their other drinks are as low as 2 ringgit and 70 cents. But that's not why we're here. We're here for the jug. This is the Gulai Lemak roaster. Fragrant, creamy with a spicy kick. Goes so well with rice, but this Wan Tan Mee has a unique sauce that was so good. Their curry roast duck has a very fragrant flavor. I'm getting bunga kantan and I love it. And that juicy duck, so good. And to make things better, they also have a Cheong fan version. Fun fact, the duck recipes are as old as 30 years old. If you're looking for something simple, order up their half-boiled eggs, crack it yourself. For that jammy egg goes so well with that kaya butter toast. Good food, good price. Save this spot for your next visit.